In this question, we'll be talking about people who have smartphones. Now, according to the data provided by the Ministry of Communications, 70% of the population have a smartphone. Now, 10 people are randomly selected. We define X as the number of people sampled who have smartphones, and we're asked, what's the probability distribution of X? Well, X has a binomial distribution. Now, how do I know that? Because it meets the criteria for binomial distribution. But let's take a look at the criteria. Here it is. Now, the first criteria right here states that we have the same Bernoulli trial that's repeated independently. Now, are we talking about a Bernoulli trial? Well, of course. And why is that? Because we're talking about success and failures. The success is defined as having a smartphone. There it is. And what's the probability of having a smartphone? That's 0.7.